What's good, everyone? Welcome to Double Up with Astro, and I would like to thank y'all for watching this video. Today, I have another video about the SMS phone leads, and they did a lot of updates with this system that I see, and it's very helpful for you guys that enjoy doing SMS marketing, and SMS marketing is one of the top ways to market, in marketing on any online business, and it's very effective, and I use it a lot to market, most of the opportunities that I have. So, as you can see at the top, it says home of the new two-step funnel. Now they got a two-step funnel that you can import inside of this platform now, and you can pretty much check it out. Um, and this is for, like, if you have your own autoresponder, like from Aweber or GetResponse, you can import that inside. And you need a bridge page, to actually, well, you don't have to exactly have a bridge page, but they have, like, I guess they could set one up for you. They have a short little, video that you can watch, to see how it works. They'll tell you, step by step on how to set this thing up right here. But moving along, you have your SMS blaster, and this is where you can be able to blast out SMS messages to either 200, 1,000, or 2,000 leads per day, and you only can do it once per day. And I guess it's a certain time frame where you can be able to send these SMS messages to pretty much random leads. And the 200 one costs $39 a month. The 1,000 one costs $79 a month, and the 2,000 is $139 a month. So within whatever budget, you can be able to purchase these product packages. So and it has a video of training where you need to know how to be guided through the process. It'll tell you about it in this video training. It has some bonuses where you can get you want to check for any voicemails in your back. You can set up your own voice mail profile, so whenever somebody texts or dials your number, they'll be able to hear a recording. You can record from a third-party product. It helps you to record your voicemail message. It also has the ringless voicemail, so when people call your number, they could be sent to an automatic voicemail. That way it could be run on autopilot in the background, and you can be able to go over here and check for your voicemail messages if you do get the ringless voice. And then it has the marketing, where you can be able to a lot of marketing resources where you can get banners, social media swipes, classified ads, text messages, and email swipes. So this could be a very helpful when you're marketing. It has lots of resources that you can check out. And just like any other SMS service, you have to buy credits. And it has a lot of reasonable credits that you can buy, like $45 for 3,000, $80 for 6,200, and you can see at the so forth, where all the different types of credits that you can buy, to add. And also, you can buy additional numbers too. So you can market, different types of opportunities with different numbers. So this is very helpful with SMS marketing. And like I always say before, that SMS marketing has a 95% open rate, rather from email marketing, which is 15 to 20%. So that lets you know that SMS marketing, more people, everybody has a cell phone, and everybody looks at their cell phone, so much throughout the day and night. So, with that being said, you're going to have lots of people that's going to be opening up these text messages, and they're going to look through and then see your opportunity. So that's what the best benefit of SMS marketing is to, you get those leads that going to open up those messages, and they get easy access to that. So that's what I wanted to show you guys, just a little update on SMS phone leads. Make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. If you do want to get started with this opportunity, the link in the description will be below. Make sure you check that out, and you can be able to start your SMS journey and help your marketing take it to another level, and implement it in your arsenal. Okay, once again, this is Double Up with Astro. Make sure that y'all check out all my latest videos. Peace.